How to fix payment failure? Please try again on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the payment failure problem on Facebook. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Facebook with your account. Alright, so after you open the Facebook, you'll have to go the option menu just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from the menu section, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like settings and privacy. Alright, so from the settings and privacy, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like orders and payments. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from this order and payment section, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like payment information. So from that section, make sure that you have set a payment method, so you can as usual go the option other payments method, or you can add a credit or debit card. So simply you have to add or choose a payment method on your Facebook account. So right now I have not added a payment method on my Facebook account, so simply you'll have to just tap on this add debit or credit card. Although you can also go the options like other payment methods, so for that you'll have to just go the option other payment methods. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to just tap on the add payment method, and now from here you can easily integrate or add your PayPal account. So in this way, after you connect or add your payment method on Facebook, you'll be able to fix that payment failure on Facebook. So you have to just add a payment method on your Facebook, and after then you'll be surely fix that problem on your Facebook account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.